Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to delete an email on the Microsoft Outlook desktop application using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the desktop application Microsoft Outlook. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to the application, Microsoft Outlook, search for this, enter to open up the application, wait for that to load. Once it has loaded, let's now click on this close button before we do anything. Now navigate to inbox and let's just say I want to delete an email. Let's click on the first email that we have at the top of the list, and let's now right click to delete this email. Or what we can do is click on the email and then we have this trash can sign. If I were to click on this will now delete that email. So if I go to deleted items, that email will be in the deleted section. If I want to then further delete this, click on the bin again. Are you sure that you want to permanently delete this selected message? Yes, I am. And there we go. So that email had to be deleted twice to ensure that it was removed from our inbox. We can now go back to inbox. We can now quit Outlook. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.